Here's a quick tutorial on the buttons on the ER10VP. This is the power and toggle button between AM, FM, and weather. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn the radio on, and then press one time to toggle to AM, press again to toggle to FM, press again to toggle back to NOAA Weather Radio. When you're ready to turn the radio off, press and hold for 2 seconds. So it's the on-off switch, plus it toggles between AM, FM, and NOAA Weather Radio. This button over here says Menu and WX. WX is short for weather. If you press and hold the menu button, it will allow you to set the clock. But pressing very quickly one time activates the weather alert mode. When that WX is flashing up here, that means the radio's in weather alert mode. Right now this radio is on. It's silently monitoring the National Weather Service broadcast. If they were to issue a watch or warning right now, this would automatically alert me. But again, this is a battery-powered radio, and when the radio's in weather alert mode, you are running on battery power. So as a general rule with radios like this, I only put them in weather alert mode on afternoons where I actively expect to see a watch or warning issued for my area. In other words, the weather forecast is for severe weather this afternoon, keep it in weather alert mode. Otherwise, you'll do best on saving your battery power if you keep it out of weather alert mode on partly cloudy or sunny days. It's a great radio. It runs off 3 AA batteries. They're included in the box. And the fact that it's so portable makes it very, very simple for you to have constant NOAA weather radio information wherever you go. The ER10VP.